Hey everybody, Heather here from She Said Candle Co. Today's video is all about the unboxing of some new fragrance oil I am testing for my fall lineup. Midwest Fragrance Supply is where I got these oils, and I'm super excited to see what they, or to smell what they smell like. I'm from the Midwest. I'm from East Moline, Illinois, and this company is in Wisconsin, and it's only like 2 hours from my house, so that's also super exciting. I love to keep it local when I can, and so it was very enlightening to see that I've got somebody so close by. Next time I'm in Wisconsin, I will probably stop by their store. So anyway, without further ado, here we go. The first one that we're going to smell today is McIntosh Apple. I feel like that is a great scent for fall and also winter too, and there's lots of people that like it. So I'm going to open the bottle here. Here it is. Oh, I don't know if you can see I'm really bad at this. There we go, McIntosh Apple. Cute little label. Full disclosure, I already opened the box and these are all sitting in front of me. But they came very well packaged, and they also came with a really cool little fragrance care card. I have that here with me. It is right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it is super cute. Fragrance care card, and there's a little QR code there that people can scan. So I thought this was good, and they were all packaged in little bubbles. So it was perfect. No spills, no nothing. McIntosh Apple, here we go. I'm just gonna smell the cap because my room is really small and I don't want to be overpowered here. Okay, this smells amazing. This smells exactly like an apple. I definitely think that this is something that I'm going to try. Okay, so there's McIntosh Apple. Next, what do we have here? Okay, we have Sweater Weather, wintertime. I'm not looking forward to it, but unfortunately where I live, it's gonna happen. So this one, without a description, I'm gonna tell you. Let's see, here's the label, if you can see that. Okay, we'll open this up. I have no idea what the description is, so we're just gonna smell this. Oh gosh, I don't even know what it smells like. It's got a little bit of it's really good. It kind of has a little bit of an almond scent, tiny bit of musk, a little bit of fruit. This is definitely really, really good. Highly suggest it, and it's not so strong. It's kind of right in the middle. It's right in the middle. You know how some of them can be really strong and overpowering? Not so much. I love this. This is awesome. All right, next, toasted pumpkin spice. So here we go. Here's the label on this. If you can read that. Come on, camera. There we go. Toasted pumpkin spice. Everybody's always looking for toasted pumpkin spice, right? This is definitely 100% fall. All right. Oh yeah, you can totally smell the spice. Subtle hint of pumpkin. I highly recommend it. It's not overpowering at all. You know, some of them can be really, really spicy or super, super pumpkin-y. This is right in the middle. I love these so far. Gosh, this is great. All right, so next we are gonna do black raspberry vanilla. I got this one because my son said that he likes vanilla scents. So we'll see about this. Okay, here's the label. Black raspberry vanilla in the lid. Okay, yep, definitely. I can smell both. The vanilla is a little bit stronger than the black raspberry, which I think is good. This is also an amazing scent. I don't have any preferences really regarding musky or fruity or foody. Like, I'm pretty neutral, but I know when I don't like something, and so far all of these have been amazing. The next one is mistletoe. So I started making candles a long, long time ago. You can watch my creation video, but one of my favorite candle scents was mistletoe, and I just loved it. And I saw this on their website, and I'm hoping that I'm not disappointed because I burned it in my house all the time. I actually didn't even want to sell them to my friends because I wanted all the mistletoe candles. So here we go, mistletoe. Gosh, I'm not good at this. All right, open this up. This is gonna smell like winter. I just know it. Oh yeah, so this one has a pine scent, but there's also like a little bit of musk to it too. Oh gosh, I just love it. I love it. I'm not wishing away summer. but I can't wait to burn that. Okay, this one I got because some of my scents I want clean. I have some names, you know, the She Said Candle Co. Signature line has some scents that have a reference to something fresh. So this is why I got this, and it's called Clean Cotton. Here we go. Can you read? Clean, whoops. Jeez, I'm bad at this. Clean Cotton. All right. Definitely not for fall or winter, but just because. Oh, gosh. I love it. Who doesn't love fresh laundry? Smells like Tide, smells like some kind of laundry soap, smells amazing. So far, I love all these. I only have one left. Here we go. So this one, Iced Vanilla Woods. Again, I got this because my son said he likes vanilla, and he also, I noticed he bought some cheap candle from Walmart, or maybe, okay, there's that. He bought some cheap candle and it's got this musky smell. So this is why I bought this scent. Yes. So I have boys, and a lot of times when I say, hey, you need to put some deodorant on, or hey, you stink, they go and they get the Axe body spray and they just spray it all over themselves. And it's overpowering, almost to the point where you want to vomit. It's like that too much perfumey smell. This does not smell like that. This is like got a nice vanilla and musky smell. I love every single one of these scents that I got from Midwest Fragrance Supply. I'm a new YouTube channel, so I don't think I can link yet, but I will put the names of all these things in the description in my video, and all the scents as well. And I highly suggest that you order from Midwest Fragrance Supply. The shipping was a little bit longer than I wished. It took like 5 or 6 days to get here, but if you plan that into your ordering and into your plan, then it shouldn't be a problem. So every single scent here I got today was amazing. I love them all. Have a great day, everybody. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm new, but there's going to be a ton more information all about making candles and the candle business in general. So please subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a great day. Until next time.